Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your liked videos on TikTok. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to TikTok. After that, go to your profile. And after that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on settings and privacy. And here scroll down until you will find an option called liked videos. Click on it. And here, if you find it on everyone, change it to only you. And like that, no one will see your liked videos and you will be the only one who can see your liked videos. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.